Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best drone under $500. Here are the top 3 drones under $500 that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. UVify OOri. UVify OOri does not require any assembling as it comes all ready for a flight out of the box. It offers 3 different flight modes as racer, intermediate and beginner, making itself suitable for most people. This drone camera offers fast charging, minimizing the wait you have to do to let the drone in air again. UVify OOri offers a first-person view with the help of an integrated screen on its bundled remote control. It comes equipped with an IMU sensor that records every single detail when in motion. At number 2. DJI Mavic Mini. It weighs less than 250 grams, preventing the addition of weight to your luggage. DJI Mavic Mini can provide 2.7K HD videos and 12MP aerial photos. It has a motorized 3-axis gimbal which provides stable, clear and ultra-smooth footage. With a single charge, DJI Mavic Mini can offer a flying time of 30 minutes, allowing you to enjoy drone flying to its fullest. Due to its compact yet powerful self, it is a perfect companion for travelers. At number 1. DJI Mini 2. DJI Mini 2 has a lightweight and compact self which makes it ideal for traveling. It has a 12-megapixel camera that ensures brilliant video quality even when high up in the sky. The drone camera has a 3-axis motorized gimbal, which enables it to capture the surroundings easily. It offers a brilliant flight time of 31 minutes, which is more than enough to capture a perfect shot. DJI Mini 2 has the ability to record professional-grade videos regardless of your proficiency level automatically. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.